Awesome, man. Want to run real quick? Sure. 1, 2, 3. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to rainy Amarillo. It's August. Why is it raining? The only good thing about rain, the camera stopped shaking. The good thing about rain is it means it's starting to cool off because it is way too damn hot out right now. That's why ain't nobody racing and my car doesn't run. Speaking of my car, if you guys know, I have the BAER drag brakes all the way around. BAER had made a 1.0 version and a 2.0 version. I ordered the 1.0 drag brakes because obviously they were lighter. The car was gonna be more of a track car. You know, I was gonna drive it around on the street, but it's gonna mostly use it at the track for racing. And so Ali, he has the white S550 2018 Mustang Whipple car. It was the first Whipple car into the 8s. And they recently ran trying to break the record again. And there's a video of him pulling the wheels and the brakes actually lock up in the front. Obviously, when the car's on the ground, the car is able to push through because it has enough power and torque, obviously, to push through the brakes. But what that means is that the wheels aren't spinning freely. Nothing against BAER. This is kind of an issue that they've known about with the 1.0s, and that's why they came out with the 2.0, which is called like their deep stage version. And then I kind of was like, maybe it's just a one-time deal. But this happened to another person, and then I went to spin my wheels. I'm gonna post a little clip here. It's actually Joseph spinning the wheels. Because I had him test them, because then I was worried that mine were doing it, and lo and behold, pretty much a lot of the 1.0s have been doing it. That's why everyone's been doing the 2.0 version. So the 1.0s are lighter, however, they've got a slight issue. I don't know if it's all of them, but there's definitely a few of them out there, including my car, that has that problem. So I reached out to my guy at BAER, Rick, super nice about it, and they're switching them out for the 2.0 version. So this is a good time to do it. Pulled the brakes off the car. The car's on jack stands anyways. Pulled the brakes off the car, send the brakes off to BAER. They're sending me the 2.0 versions, and we shouldn't have any more problems. But that is definitely something you don't want happening. I don't know if it progressively gets worse. I'm assuming it does, because something like that, if it happens early on, it usually progressively gets worse. And yes, like I said, the car can push through the brakes, but that just means it's making your car use that much more power to have to push through the wheels. So I think they were losing like 3 to 4 mile an hour on the top of the quarter mile, and I don't know how much that equivalent is in the actual quarter mile time, but he was losing some mile an hour. Pretty crazy that that's happening, and they only realized it when they looked back at a video and his tires had pulled up off the front, and they saw literally the wheel just stopped in the air, and then it kept spinning once they obviously hit back on the ground. Pretty crazy though that stuff's happening. So huge shout out to BAER Brakes for fixing the problem. If you guys have 1.0s, if you have the lighter BAER brakes, make sure you check that and get with whoever you bought them from. And BAER Brakes, they stand behind their products, they'll take care of you. It didn't seem like a big issue. The only issue is that you're down for a couple days, but BAER, being the good company that they are, they took care of it, and we should have the 2.0s in no time. So I'm actually dropping off, as you guys saw, some CA packages that everyone ordered from the new drop. Thank you guys so much for ordering if you did. If you haven't, go check out contagionathletics.com. You can use Dave20 for 20% off. And that's your little plug for the day. I wanted to make a video of passes and little Mexico races that the car has done on low boost, because let me give you one more hint of what's to come. I'm telling you, you're gonna think it's one thing and it's totally something else. But the car will be not on high boost, but it'll definitely be on higher boost all the time. with all the mods that are coming up for the car. If you are on the live chats, I've been giving a few of the items away. However, the one major big thing that's coming, which you might think it is, but you don't really know what it is, I have not said yet. There's a lot of stuff coming. I'm telling you, you guys aren't listening. I'm telling you, there's so many things coming. I wish I could just tell you. And don't ask Joseph on Instagram or DM him, because he knows everything. And I swear, Joseph, you better not tell anybody, or I'll be sharing your time slips. Just kidding. He's pretty much shared all of his time slips. He used to not share them, but now he does. He just doesn't care anymore. I'm telling you, stick around. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy this little video of some of the Mexico stuff that the car has done, and then the one roll race that the car did. I really wish I would have got it to the track before we changed all these things, but some of the things I had to change before I could even get it to the track. Plus, it's so freaking hot out, you don't want to be at the track right now anyways. October 5th, flashlight shootout. Make sure you guys are there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you enjoy these clips that are coming up. I will see you guys on the next one.